Yo, what's up, guys? What's happening? What's good? What's popping? So, yeah, I'm gonna say welcome back to my channel. And for those of you that are new, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and everything is gonna keep on being fun. So, this time around, it's gonna be more damn amazing because I'm gonna bring something else to you. And yeah, this is just about the Air Jordan 5 Retro SP. So, yeah, let's do this. So yeah, as you can see, this is what I got. Actually, I've been waiting for this for so long, and I couldn't just wait for it, though the delay and everything. But yeah, I got this. So but before anything, I'm gonna make a quick review on this, then we'll see what it's gonna be like. So first of all, let's check the box. Though I actually got it out of the box and try to fix the laces and everything, just to like give it a first try. But yeah, let's do this. So here on the box it says Air Jordan 5 Retro SP, as usual, with the colorways, the sail, fire red, muslin black, and stuff like that. So I just feel this particular off-white feels so dope and amazing. So something about the off-white is that every collaboration is just so good, just the best, because they never disappoint. They never do anything that makes you feel so, feel like, oh no, this is bad. It's just the best, it's dope. So let's talk about this. Though I don't know, maybe the color or the, maybe the camera might actually make it look yellowish, but trust me, this is sail off white, dope. So then it actually comes with extra laces. Talk about the box specs. You can see the transparent nylon with the leather with the Jumpman logo as usual, which is the best. So let's go to this. This is just so dope. And another amazing thing about this is like it comes with the more like the previous the previous style. So this is just a different color, with the circle, the cutting, the circular cutting, the tongue, the laces, the sole, and everything is just so amazing. And also the zip tie. And when you look at the laces, it actually has this shoelace sign, stamped to it, with this button over here, the shoe lock, with the red button, or should I say with the red tag above it. And talking about the shoe tongue, which is actually more higher, with the shoe collar and everything about it, it just makes the shoe look so amazing. And the circular cutting, so let's count. This is 1, 2, 3, and on the other foot you have an extra one on the shoe tongue. And taking a look at the inner part of it, you have the Air Jordan signature sign to it, which is actually upside down. Yeah, so this shoe is just the best because people keep talking a lot, and I felt like it was overrated, but I feel like it's really worth it because it's super amazing. I love this kick. I actually can't wait to give it a try. People talk about sizes. People ask me about what's the size, like what's my perfect size. So you can just go for your perfect size, or you go for a lower or like half size lower, which is gonna fit in the best. So this Air Jordan 5 Retro SP is super amazing. And lest I forget, you can actually see the inner sole of it also as usual, with the Nike Air and the logo on it, and the Jumpman as well on the shoe tongue, which actually makes it look more obvious and super amazing. You can just kick this anywhere and things are gonna be damn amazing. Yeah, so if you're new, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to do things, and things are gonna keep being amazing. I'll keep on moving around, I'll keep on showing you things, keeping you updated about the sneaker world. So yeah, stay put and stay in peace.